Here's a tip for crossing railroad tracks. You can reduce your speed ahead of time. You can actually stand up on my foot pegs. See if I can look down, you can see. All right. Notice I'm keeping my throttle pretty much steady, doing about 25 as I cross those. I stand up a little bit, raise my butt off my seat, use my legs as shock absorbers, and just keep a nice firm yet relaxed grip, nice and smooth, cross over them no problem. Depending on the tracks that you're dealing with, some of them can be exceptionally bumpy and hardcore, so you want to gain some familiarity with what you're dealing with. If it's your first time crossing these railroad tracks, slow it down as much as possible and cross them over as slowly as you can in case they're super hardcore. You don't want them to be bucking you and launching you, right? Then if you do cross them really slowly and you gain that experience that, oh, they're not so bad, they're actually pretty smooth, then the next time you could maybe cross over them at a little bit faster of a speed, right? But you don't want to just charge at them and hope for the best and end up wrecking your bike or doing any damage, but blowing out your fork seals or suspension, anything like that. So take your time crossing them over. Crossing them over. Crossing over them. Ain't nothing to it, baby.